There we go. All right. What is that? That's funny. Last time we went through Raglands, a couple of weeks or last weekend, Sage and I went through Raglands, and there were guys shooting guns, man. It was like you hear fire, you hear gunfire everywhere. It's just like, yeah, no, dude.
Oh yeah.
It was like, yeah, no thanks. I'm just like, yeah, it was a bit too close to comfort too, right? So, yeah. No. All right. This is Mr. John, I'm Rob, and these are the Tenere 700s, and this is called the Iron Mine Road.
My name is not John.
Oh God, why do I keep doing it? All right, well, this is Phil, I'm Rob, here's the Teneres, and this is called Iron Mine Road. So, yeah, it's silly me. What a dink I am, right? So, yeah, no, this road actually, it intertwines quite a way, so it'll be interesting to see what happens, right? So let's kind of give it a go, right?
Have you done this one before?
Never done it, so I am a virgin just like you.
Yay. Oh, there we go.
Yeah. All right, off-road mode, don't forget.
Yep, correct.
With your gloves and my gloves doing that, it's kind of like, isn't that like almost like ancestry? Because we're like both the same gloves. It's like doing your cousin, isn't it? All right, so yeah, let's take a look and see what this is going to be like, right? It'll be kind of interesting. So it is a road, right? So it is classified as a road. So yeah, keep your I'll take sand as long as it's not wet, right? So soak it in, right? So it's okay. You're good? Oh. Attaboy. No dumping, okay? No do the poo-poo. Iron Mine Road. So I was kind of figuring it would have been kind of some kind of logging road, or yeah, some kind of access road to, you know, to iron, yeah, that's it. But Iron Mine Road is really funny because it actually, there's two roads that are called Iron Mine Road, and it's not like it's like one interconnects to the other. And it's not like the south and west or whatever like that. It's just weird how they have two Iron Mine roads. I don't understand that. So, yeah, like there's an Iron Mine road that goes that way, and then this is an Iron Mine road here that goes this way. It kind of branches off into a fork, right? It's weird. Oh yeah. It's just like, yeah, which one is it, right? Oh. Yeah, like, or the concession roads, right? I mean, wow, I hate being in this little berm piece there, that rut. Ugh. Yeah, well, it's like the concessions, right? Concession 7, 6, 5. So it's a bit slippery here, a little bit slick. Slow it down. I guess all these signs of private property, don't trespassing, I guess people are taking this road here and then physically going into people's property, I guess, and to either hunt or do something, right? But I mean, this is a road, this is public property, this is Crown land, right? Or Ontario, yeah, Ontario Crown land. That they call this a road, I don't understand. I would call this more of a fire route, right? But whatever. Well, this is why I was thinking about getting a Jeep, right? Because you can do this and have some fun with a Jeep, right? I wonder if Pure Later goes to 1966 Iron Mine Road. Tenere Express, man. Yeah, about 1966 Iron Mine Road. Fuck you, man. Watch. Yeah. The car's destroyed. Oh, yeah. There's something, right? Tax write-off, maybe? I don't know. Like a little ship off, right? Stay on the high side. Nope. Nope. Okay, one little bit. They didn't want to do it, I was fighting it. Gunfire. You hear that? Right. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. The front tire just kind of went. I felt mine. My front tire kind of went out too. That was weird. It's tapped down hard sand, right? So, okay, we've got a water crossing up coming up.